This is my darning loom. The top of the hole is gonna line up with those hooks when I place the loom on top like this. And then I can put the t-shirt yarn around the outside like this. Around the hook, around the hook, around the hook, around the hook, all the way across. So I always like to point the hooks in the direction that I'm going. And then on the other side here, I just make a little stitch. You just work back and forth like this, all the way up your patch. As I'm weaving along, I just keep squishing all of the previous rows down, either with the needle or with my weft pick like this. This always makes a big difference in the finished quality of my patch. So now we're left with what's effectively a pocket here. So I need to secure these loops down to my sock. I'm just going to take one loop at a time all the way across. And there it is, the freshest patch on this well-loved pair of socks.